আমি শিখেছি পুরো বন্ধ করলাম করতে আগে তো সিলেক্ট করলাম সব কিছু বন্ধ করতে হবে इधर भी है ना That's 92 km, 96 km. मैंने आज से दिया प्रधान ये डाउन कर ना क्लास में पेंसिल से नहीं पेंसिल submit submit butuh di butuh submit drive on 30 kilometer difference pendrive service and pendrive
हमारे एक अभी वो बस आई नहीं है, आगे सब
और इसका मेक्सिको वाला प्रेजेंटेशन होने के बाद
किसका?
मेक्सिको का
हाँ
प्रेजेंटेशन
हाँ
होने के बाद immediately how this interaction with the
करेक्ट, इसके बाद
feedback होने के बाद जिंदर का प्रेजेंटेशन कराया था हम स्क्रीन निकाल देंगे।
अच्छा वो कैसे करेंगे? स्क्रीन निकाल देंगे, हाँ बाद में निकाल,
गिफ्ट जो लेना है वो कर दे सकते हैं।
बट गिफ्ट यहाँ नहीं देंगे ना?
नहीं दैट मींस ओनली प्राइजेस ना फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड।
हाँ वो दे सकते, उसमें आपने किसी को बुलाया प्राइजेस के लिए?
मैं सबको बुला दूं
हाँ सूरी साहब को ना बुला, रात में मेरी बात हुई थी, बट या तो प्राइजेस भी उधर दें ये भी, बट अभी करना ठीक है डिक्लेयर ठीक है, सूरी साहब को बुला लो प्राइजेस को
10 बजे उनको आने का।
हाँ 10 बजे को, और उसके बाद में फिर जिंदल का प्रेजेंटेशन
नहीं जिंदर का प्रेजेंटेशन होने के बाद ही
देंगे,
दे देंगे सो दैट ये स्क्रीन पे लगाने की जरूरत है।
ठीक मेक्सिको वाला अपलोड कर दिया ना? उन्नीस साहब स्टार्ट करें। Good morning everyone. I hope you have enjoyed yesterday's melodious ghazal evening. I thank you for your cooperation and support extended yesterday, and because of your cooperation we were able to complete today and yesterday agenda. In fact, we have preponed two presentations, and because of that our presentation part is almost over. So today we will be having one presentation which was not included in the agenda, and now we will have that presentation from JK Tornell. So our first presentation today we will have from JK Tornell, and after that we would like to discuss with each of you about your feedback about this conference topic, what was the good and what improvements further we need to add value to this conference. After that discussion and action plan preparation, basically this discussion is required to understand that after returning back to your plant, what projects you are going to implement and what is your learning. And your learning in the sense that we have learned a lot of things, but what is applicable and what is possible to implement at our workstation, because we have seen that robots are working, but that is not possible and that is also not applicable and required at all locations. So what is applicable and what is required at our location and what is feasible also, which we can implement within the resources given. So we would like to discuss, we would like to hear from each of you on these projects. After that, we will have one presentation from Mr. Mayank Jindal of JK Paper regarding the plant and this facility. And then we will have declaration of results of presentations made during these 2 days. And I would request all the judges who were involved in assessment of the presentations to give their comments and also declare the winners. And after that, we will go for there will be a tea break, and then we will go for plant visit of JK Paper. And after plant visit, we will return to the guest house. We'll have lunch, and then certificate of participation will be distributed. So this is today's agenda. Now I request JK to present their presentation. One request he has made that if you want to ask question, you have to ask question in Spanish. So I told it will be then questionless presentation. There will be no questions because we don't know Spanish. So you give your presentation. Thank you very much.
Okay. Good morning, everybody. My name is Gabriel Torres. I'm from Mexico, JKO Tornel. I happy for the invitation this conference. I think it's a good experience, but the interchange the uh, interchange the ideas, different plans. Um, I hope then this visit uh, I make the uh, implement in the our plant and our plant these ideas. Thank you for the invitation. Now, okay. Okay. My name is Gabriel Torres. I am the plant manager, the Plan 2 and Plan 5. Um, the Plan 5 is located in the center of Mexico City. This is the plant. Is all plant. The plant is 70 years old. Uh, the short history plan 5 is in 1934. Turner family founded Cia Aulera Mexicana. Then in 2007, JK Tires acquired Cia Aulera. Yes, and our capacity is the in tonnage per day, in tires per day is 4,440 tires per day, and the tons per day is 100 10.8. Yes. Actually, the labor capacity is 3,630. In the tons, 80 tons per day. The total workers and surface plant is the salary employees 78 and manpower or unit say 279 and the total 357. And land surface is 21,000 cubic meters. And the covered area is 23 cubic meters. The working days, maximum days per day per year is 288 and 6 days a week. Actual working days 250, 15, 236. The plan run 24 hours a day. Working days per week are flexible 4, 5, or 6 days. This is the
One minute. We talk about the productivity. And there is one measure in the tire industry. They do it man per ton. What is this man per ton? How many able the gauge? Maybe manager, maybe super, maybe gardener, maybe canteen, maybe everything. That plant is at 4.5. LA is at 5.5. Just look at productivity. Mostly related to the culture of the place. They are at 4.5, 70-year-old plants. And at 4.5, there are generally, I talk so much about productivity, but still we are at 5.7 or 5.8. We are aiming at 5, but reaching 4.8 for us will be a huge, huge task. Just you can just imagine the productivity. Labor cost is quite high, but productivity is very high. So then, with that, the labor cost, the rate of labor might be high, but the labor cost will again. We are better than company. Chennai is best in India is best. I don't think even Apollo's productivity is also not that good. They are only about 38 or 39, they are at 45. Like industry, this is the difference of the way you set up the plan, where you start thinking and sorry.
yes, no, thank you. The kilograms hour human is the 50 hours.
They are at 48. They are at 50.
Presentation, can you go back to it? You have said tons in labor 80.
And labor, they hire labor as per the plan.
Can you go back to previous slide? Previous, yeah.
Utilization only, they are only at 80% utilization.
This is a equipment capacity. And
3.8 tons.
yes,
No,
yes.
there are 80.8 tons.
No, they are running at 80.8.
They are running at 80.8. But not there. So that's almost 80%. The utilization of our plant capacity.
Yes.
What are the interview level now?
The second thing very starting to see, if you ask him the tonnage mass, he gives it to the last decimal. If I ask him how much, 232 people. 81 people. Okay. If you ask me, I think 680, 600 to 700. Just look at this one. Tonnage also, look, they give up to first decimal. It's very precise there. The capacity is 103.8. Which plant will give their capacity in a first decimal? No one will. Generally, for a big volume of this, we will give 103 to 105 or 102. That's an difference.
Yeah. This is the production process. This is the diagram. This is the inputs, and this is the process. Output. The inputs is production program, raw material, specification, machinery, equipment, workers, measuring device, and the process is extruder. First step is extruder. Second, calendar. Third, beads, and this is the building area, and then curing and final finish. Output is style. This is the goals. Compliance with the program at 100%. 0.07 scrap. Now this is the scrap in plant 5. 1.17 repair the tires, and 1.69 of both. This is the goals of quality. This is in this chart is the summary all the projects in TVV building, installing of PLC in TVV number 6, in the van building, construction and implementation of an additional van building machine. In the preparation of green tire, construction and implementation of the TVV green tire picking machine. In curing, new arrangement of valves in presses 415 and 416 is for reduce the valves and the activities maintenance simpler. The tire inspection area, lifting arm for the tire inspection. The powerhouse, there's a new steam boiler for improved efficiency and fuel shipping from diesel to natural gas. In curing, installation of the condensate recovery pumps, and the all plants bathroom, replacing urinals do not use water. In the boiler, recover water and the energy from boiler block down. In compressor, replace reciprocating compressor by screw compressors. And curing, conversion of dome type presses into plate. This project is the major saving steam because the steam consumption was very high, and then we can see the tendency in the graph, they reduce the steam. In calendar, elimination of steam consumption in ROM calendar. The third cushion, elimination of steam usage for heating by installing electrical resistors. The thread cushion implementation in place of base cement. The major improve is in the steam consumption. This is the before and after electrical control is replaced by a new control, PLC. The benefits, machine setup is done automatically. Production was increased from 55 tires to 60 tires per chip. and lost time is by excessive electrical failure was reduced. And production charge is easy to make. Charge over. Mm, in construction and implementation of an additional van building machine increase the production from 1,800 to 2,250. Uh, this project is based in the equipment from JKO. Yes, they remove trap air in the green tire. Tire pricking is faster compared to the manual operation. And, and this project is a new arrangement for reduce the valves from 12 valves to 6 valves. And the maintenance activities are simpler before and after. And of course, reduce the leaks of steam and reduce the leaks on and nitrogen in tunnel use for the curing nitrogen. The project description in this in final finish 15 are for tire inspection. This project was based in equipment from JKO Tire, India. Help tire inspection efficient, improved equipment ergonomy. And this is a new boiler for improved efficient and fuel shifting from diesel to natural gas. Reduce the cost of steam generation from 0.92 to 0.32. The emission of particles was eliminated by replacing diesel to natural gas. Greater stability in the steam pressure, reduce the blockdown in boiler, 26 cubic meters water per month. Activities on boiler maintenance were reduced by using cleaner fuel. This is the cost. This graph is the cost of fuel in pesos per kg. We can see reduce from in this part use the diesel. The cost is 0.84 pesos per kg, and now reduce point this for 0.24 pesos per kg. This tendency is good.
Why September 8th? September 8th.
September hey, it depends of the schedule. The schedule is low.
You're coming this day, 74.9.
Yes, this line is the schedule.
It was not much different from August.
Yes, and this yes is high because the depend of the mixing the types. In this project, is for the recovery condensate by pumps were placed at the end of each curing line production in order to increase recovery condensate and to send to the boiler water tank. About 60 meters of underground piper were eliminated. And condensate recovery was increased from 40% to 56% and reduced the environmental impact. Um, don't use the water. And then uh, 10 waterless urinals were placed into the facility in the order to remove all those that used water. Reduce water consumption 37 cubic meter per month and reduce the environmental impact. This project is for flash tank is placed in the continuous block-down line of boiler in order to recover flash steam and energies in the water storage tank of the boiler. The benefits is recover condensate by injecting steam flash into the water tank boiler. 400 liters per day is saving. This project is to replace two compressor reciprocant by a script waterless compressor, which is more efficient. This script. The use of water was eliminated in the compressor cooling system. Environmental impact by noise was reduced from 90 dB to 80 dB in the area. About 26% reduction of efficient of electric consumption in the area. 1070 kilowatts per day. This is the tendency since Jackie acquired the tournament, the 207 at 214. This is the tendency.
We are now at 2. We are 2. They are at 1.1 now. But we said how we are implementing. After it come down to 1.5. Will this be the best club? Will be the best group there?
Yeah. Okay, this is same electrical consumption. This is the tendency. These tendencies depend of the schedule. This the like in the office, in some machines. For that reason, this is the tendency. In this project, conversion of dome type press into platen. This is the reduce steam consumption to 50% in the line 700. 4.5 tons steam per day saving. About 6% of reduction of fuel consumption in boiler and reduce spare parts for the maintenance. This project eliminates elimination of steam consumption in GOV calendar. The benefits: steam consumption was reduced by removing 60 meters of 2-inch redundant pipes. 2 tons steam saving per month. This is before and after. This project is for the elimination steam usage for heating by installing electrical resistor in the extruder area. Steam consumption was reduced by removing 40 meters of 2-inch redundant pipe and saving 1 ton steam per month. This is the steam consumption, 2007 to 204, 40. In this project, the thread cushion implementation in place of base cement. About the benefits, about 32% reduction in naphtha consumption, 200 liters per day is reduced. Reduce environmental impact by COPS emissions. This is the tendency for reduce the naphtha consumption. Okay, that's all. Thanks. Okay. Any question?
Productivity, what we are doing is excluding mixing data.
In mixing area, don't have in plan 5 don't have a mixing.
No mixing.
No mixing. No mixing. But the efficient in plan 4, the mixing is 95% in the efficient.
FPR.
Sorry?
You're asking about FPR.
Yes. Yes, it's 95 efficient percent.
Presentation, what we have shown, it is of plant 5 only.
Only plan 5.
Plant 5 is making only bias tires or it makes,
Yes, only bias tires.
can I know for radial tires what is without this type of power consumption production?
Is more high by the plan 5. Plan 5 is the only bias. The plan 5 is the best in the consumption the energies. Yes. Yes.
You don't have radial tires.
No. Plan 4 no. The next time have a
They call plan 4 5. 1 and 3 is not there. There's no 1 and 3 plan. Plan 2, and that is 2 bias plan and 1 radial.
The figures are amazing. 0.3.
Look at bias. Compare with control.
So that is
Yeah,
why
Compare with control.
Yeah, one more question.
yes sir.
Water include the drinking water, gardening.
Yes, all the water consumption water.
The government is manpower is that.
Completely.
Now, our 40% of water, which is there is drinking water.
See, we have to
Yes.
see the way we calculate MIS calculation of all these parameters. I work with 3 companies, all the 3 are ready.
Yeah, that's
Okay, so we have to compare between plants. When we compare, we are quite equal, but between companies, actually when we compare with them, we are actually comparing are different. What they show might not be exactly an apple to apple comparison.
because the productivity was actually again the raw material.
And they also know, when we don't have mixing, we do have proportionation. We calculate that, we load it that way. And then there is a concept, don't go by the value, but they are highly productive. If there are other productions, what is it, but even though 70-year-old plant, I know from people, hours people work, real hours people work, extremely. In India, whatever you do, you don't be more than 4 hours. You will not find more than 4 to 5 hours of work anywhere. Unless you play security watchman, you will continue. Otherwise, you will not find more than 4 to 5. And all automated, yes, you can there. But their working will be exactly that. So that's a concern which we are different.
Yes.
Two compressor, cooling water level eliminated.
Yes, in the compressor.
Compression.
Yes, not use the water.
What is the cooling media?
Sorry.
Careful.
Yes. 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 Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Gabriel, for your